How to fix update KB5089573 failed to install in Windows 11 25 or 24. Hello friends. If you are getting any problem installing this preview update, then follow the methods and the steps. First thing first, try to install the update from Microsoft Update Catalog. Go to the video description and click on the link to Microsoft Update Catalog. After clicking on the link, you will reach this page. Here are multiple files. Find the file compatible with your system. For this, click on Start. Go to Settings. Click on System. Scroll down and click on About. Here is system type. Mine is 64-bit operating system and x64 based processor. Check yours and find the file here. This file is compatible with my system. Check yours and click on the respective download button. Click on the link that includes KB5089573. Let the downloading complete. Once downloaded, click on the MSU file. Preparing the installation. Click on OK on the confirmation dialog and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. The next method you can try is fix problems using Windows Update. For this, click on Start, go to Settings, click on System. Here is Recovery, click on it. Here you will find fix problems using Windows Update. Click on Reinstall Now and click on OK. Once you click on OK, the repair version of Windows 11 25H2 will be downloaded. You can see the downloading status here. Wait for the completion and restart your computer after it is completed. Then try to install the preview update. If the issue still persists, then reset Windows Update components. To reset the components, click on Search, type CMD, click on Run as Administrator. Yes. Go to the video description. You will find some commands in the description. These commands, will reset Windows Update components. All you need to do is to run each line of command. Copy the first line, paste into the command prompt and press Enter. Copy the second line, paste into the command prompt and press Enter. In the same way, run all these commands. After running these commands, close the command prompt, close other running tasks and restart your computer. Then try to install the update. If the issue still occurs, then modify services. Click on Search, type Services, click on Services, look for the Windows Update service, this one. Right click on this service, select Properties, make sure that startup type is automatic. If it is not automatic, click on this drop down and select Automatic and click on Apply. Make sure that service status is showing running. If it is stopped, click on Start. Click on OK. In the same way, look for Background Intelligent Transfer service, this one. Right click on this service, select Properties, change the startup type to automatic if it is not on your computer, and click on Start if the service is stopped. Click on Apply and click on OK. Now come to App Readiness Right click on the service, select properties, make sure that a startup type is automatic and the service is running. If the service is stopped, click on start. Click on OK. Now close the services window and try to install the update. Click on check for updates here, which will be apparent on your computer. If the problem still occurs, run SFC and DISM command line tools. To run the tools, launch the command prompt. Click on search, type CMD, select run as administrator. Click on yes. Go to the video description. In the video description, you will find these two commands. This is SFC command. Copy the command, paste into the command prompt and press enter. Let the process 100% complete. Once completed, copy the DISM RestoreHealth command from the video description, paste into the command prompt, hit enter. Once completed, close the command prompt, close the other running tasks and restart your computer. Then try to install the preview update. The issue should be fixed now. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.